She loves racing. Right. 5 minutes now to start. That's better than yesterday's 30 seconds and then lower saddle and so on. You can look it back back what I did yesterday, because I literally hadn't done any racing planning ahead or whatever. I just saw it and jumped on it. Literally 30 seconds, and it wasn't a race. My Bush guys through Facebook they were kind enough to point out it wasn't a race. It was just a kind of a pod ride, so on. But for me, it was a race, so that was good, and it worked well. So currently, I am thinking of taking part of the Blizzard Blast Racing, which is this one. You see, it says, and that's in Brussels Town Square. And two reasons why I joined this one. This is a 24 kilometers, so it takes me around 30 minutes. No, not 30 minutes, sorry. That would be crazy. Probably about 40 minutes, a bit more than that. But because it had 0 meters of climbing, and I like that. I like that. So, anyways, yeah, I'll start warming up, as I now have 4 minutes and 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Ooh, there is another one coming, so I can draft somebody, hopefully.
Started off with the Tour de France on Alpe d'Huez. I think it was after that, after the Tour de France, where around Atlantic Rouge they made cover up on it. Geraint did.
Right, I have around 40 seconds to go now, and I was momentarily quite happy that maybe there was a third bloke came along. I don't know their names yet, but I was like, no, I'll take the bronze medal, that's fine. And now there's fourth. So, but as I did race yesterday as well, a half an hour effort, so my target is today to ride it hard but be steady at the same time. 8 seconds now. The guys at the front started like a cannonball. They are already, after how long have I done? 300 meters, they are 9 seconds ahead now. But I think this is gonna be a battle for what watts can you hold for longest. And this Carlos Cavis has got up as well. Well, let's see. Let's see. Right, I'm 10 minutes in and nothing really to report. I'm on second place because somebody dropped. Who was second? On second place. Woohoo! Macy! Come on, Macy! Come! Daddy's racing, so leave me alone.
Mountains, wherever you go, he's just a phenomenal performer. Sorry to interrupt you there, Luke, but that was a very, very big moment early on here. Well, we know we're watching a race.
Oh. Right, I just done the 20-minute effort, and I'll take it a little bit easy, and I'm just about halfway. A bit tired, but it's good. A bit boring now because I wish there would be somebody to draft behind. but no. So, next 70 seconds I take it easy. I'm 3.5 minute lead against the third bloke, Carlos Galvez, and then I carry on.
We always said you have to wait and see, maybe because of Pogacar, because he can do those, these so strong performances. And again, he's putting out one here. And I was expecting maybe the time just to creep away from a bit, lose second by second as we went into.
The good thing about completely flat courses is that you can just set me into a rhythm, and that's it. It's much easier than overachieving on climbs and trying to freewheel and downhill. But yeah, the first 20 minutes I took it quite hard, and I don't know what my average watts was, but now I'm on zone 3, cruising along and taking the silver medal home. Yes!
First time coming up to the second intermediate check, and this is where Ganna really put time into everybody else. Thomas is going to be with Tadej Pogacar.
Is he going to come and
That cornering looks cool. Right, little update. I'm still on silver medal position, so yeah. Taking quite easy, with all honesty, too. At the moment, within zone 3 and zone 4, according to the calculation. And just planning to ride it. But you newbies, this is a brilliant race, because you can just pedal and hope the best and be smooth. My watt bike currently says 49.51. So usually I'm 50-50, but I haven't concentrated on penalty technique. Just riding semi-hard effort. She loves racing. Right, I have 1 mile to go, 1.6 k's. Just keeping cadence around 90 and rolling myself to the finish. That's all I'm gonna do. Starting to be sweaty as well.
And Luke, come down on your teammate in a minute, but let's get some reaction to this man in pit, because he's just laid a very strong section of what was already a pretty good foundation on his way to winning the Giro d'Italia.
Yeah, exactly. I think to put yourself in a position to win the Grand Tour, you don't have to be the hero every day. You just have to be solid and consistent, and that's exactly what he's done there.
Yeah! Well, Blizzard Blast in Brussels has been completed successfully. I was on the second place, silver medal, terms and conditions apply, out of 3 races. There was 4, but suddenly he disappeared, so the one who was ahead of me disappeared, so don't know what happened there. But yeah, once you get going, yesterday, like I said, I had no idea what I was doing. I just logged on and wanted to see what's happening. So, hence the episode was a bit disjointed. Today, my legs are alright. I mean, 40 minutes on 295 watts. Which, for untrained person at the moment as I am, for watts I've done just low level riding. And the last month I haven't really raced. I'll take it. Average heart rate 149. So yeah, it's good. I'm happy with that. Overall, I mean, it's a good cast. It's quite nice. It's a little bit like Swift. I think it's not the first time people would say that, but yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Once I got used to where is speed, where is map, where is the kilometers to go, and so on. So yeah, it's good. Quite happy with that. Well, as it's evening, I'm gonna go now and start cooling down. So see you next time.